In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the audit log in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find it, how to filter what you see, and how to use those filters to quickly get the answers you need about who changed what and when. To begin, look to the upper right corner of QuickBooks Online and click the settings icon, the small gear. That gear opens a central menu where key tools live, and the audit log is one of the most important for tracking activity in your books. It's your system of record for user actions, edits, deletions, and other significant events, all time-stamped and tied to a user, so you can establish a clear trail of changes. From that settings menu, click Audit Log. When the log opens, you'll see a chronological list of activities. Pay attention to the columns. You'll typically see the date and time of the action, the user who performed it, a brief description of the event, and the affected area such as a transaction or list item. This view is especially helpful for troubleshooting unexpected balances, reconciling differences, or reviewing compliance and internal controls. At the top of the page, select Date Changed. This filter focuses on when an item was actually modified, not just when it was created. Choose the time window that matches your investigation, whether that's today, this week, or a custom date range. If you're chasing down a sudden shift in a report or a transaction that looks off, narrowing by date changed helps isolate the exact period when the update happened, which dramatically reduces the noise in the log. You can also select events to refine the results by the type of activity. Event categories can include things like creating, editing, or deleting transactions, changes to lists such as customers or vendors, and administrative updates like settings or user access. Zeroing in on the event type lets you filter out unrelated activity and focus only on what matters. For example, if you're reviewing why an invoice total changed, target edit or delete events related to transactions. If you're auditing who adjusted company settings, switch the event type to settings changes. As you work, remember that filters can interact. If results feel too limited, widen the date changed range or broaden the event selection. And if the list seems overwhelming, start broad, then narrow it down, step by step until the pattern becomes clear. That's it. Click the settings gear, open the audit log, filter by date changed, and refine with events. With those tools, you'll quickly trace activity and keep your books transparent and trustworthy.